Setting up your tattoo pen machine properly is the first crucial step. Begin by laying out all components: the tattoo pen, power supply, foot pedal, clip cord, needle cartridges, and rubber bands. First, connect your power supply to a stable power source. Next, attach the clip cord to the power supply and the tattoo pen. Securely plug in the foot pedal, which controls the power flow to your tattoo pen. Now, it's time to insert the needle cartridge. Ensure your hands are clean or wear gloves to maintain hygiene. Carefully insert the cartridge into the pen until it clicks into place. Adjust the needle depth by turning the grip of the pen. A depth of 1.5 to 2 millimeter is recommended for beginners. Secure the needle with rubber bands to prevent it from wobbling during use. Test the machine by pressing the foot pedal. The needle should move smoothly without any hesitation. Fine-tune the voltage on your power supply. Beginners should start around 6 to 8 volts. Always perform a quick test on practice skin before working on a person. Proper setup ensures safety and precision, paving the way for your journey as a tattoo artist. Now you're ready to create your first masterpiece.